that's what you make it. My shit been amazing, I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, I was in the face. I was chasing out the pavement, you know how to feel ways. But everything again, it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I'm trying to figure it out. Lost somewhere in my head. I can ride it all on my own. Looking forward to the picture. Never like it when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror, trying to say I diagnosis. Hell, I did it nice, if you ever get to know me. Tell me that you need me, but you actually did.
What's up, SD Racing family? Today we're in Virgil's 2017 Dodge Challenger that we finished up a Whipple Supercharger install and finished up on the dyno last night. We were able to put down a best of 530 horsepower, 538 foot-pounds of torque at 10 psi boost pressure, and right now we're going through our checks and a drive after the dyno session to make sure everything is good. We do try to do this after every dyno session, especially on the larger power cars. Make sure the street manners are good, drives like it should, you know, from factory, but a little bit better. So we check our fuel trims, make sure everything's good on there, not excessively overfueling, underfueling, you know, just double checking our work on the dyno. So along with the Whipple Supercharger, we also installed a set of Deatschwerks 60-pound fuel injectors, a set of Texas Speed Longtube Headers, as well as a Mcleod Twin Disc Clutch to be able to handle the power that the Supercharger puts out. So we get asked a question a lot about what would be the best system to go forced induction on your car. Really, the answer depends on what you're looking for out of that car. You've got different types of superchargers, centrifugal, root style. You got turbos, you got nitrous. Each of them has their merits. Each of them are great for what they are. Just depends on what you really want out of the car. This instance, Virgil wanted instant power, instant torque, which is why we chose a Whipple kit for it. As soon as you put your foot down on the gas, instant torque. Instant torque all the way through, carries it real well until the efficiency of the motor dies off a little bit up top, torque drops a little bit. Again, instant power is what we wanted out of this kit and his build. So one of the advantages that we like with the Whipple kits is that they really drive real well and have great street manners off boost. But when you go down on the throttle, when that bypass valve closes, boost pressure comes on hard, comes on quick, and these Whipples really make great power, great low end torque. We'd recommend them to anybody that really wants instant power, instant torque out of their car. Again, this type of supercharger is awesome for that. Well, now that we've completed our daily driving, drive around, you know, in traffic, we're going to go ahead and get on the highway so you can get kind of a feel of, you know, what kind of power is 530 horsepower out of a car like this. So we'll see if we can get on here safely. Go ahead and hit it in fourth. see it gets up to speed real quick. Again, one of the great things about the Whipple is instant power, instant torque, get you where you need to go in a hurry. There is no lag like with turbos. There is no waiting to come on like a centrifugal supercharger. It is there when you need it, and it is there in a hurry.